Hello, friend. Today we are going to understand and discuss some important MCQ for medical technologists, pharmacists, nursing, BMLT, DMLT exam and interview. And friend, subscribe my channel for job information, MCQ and more important information video. So friend, let's start the video. First question, match the following: color of urine and their causes. Colorless, option right answer, option I. Dilution, diabetes mellitus. Alcohol intake. Milky urine causes, option C. Right answer, option C. Childhood purulent genitourinary tract disease. Orange urine causes, right answer, option A. Urobilinogen fever. Red urine causes, right answer, option F. Hematuria, hemoglobinuria. Greenish urine causes, right answer, E. Jaundice, phenol poisoning. Dirty blue green urine causes, right answer, option G. Cholera, typhus, putrefying urine. Dark brown urine causes, right answer, option number H. Bilirubinuria, acute febrile disease, very concentrated. Brown red urine causes, right answer, option D. Rheumatoid vascular disease, aloes. Brown black urine causes, right answer, option B. Porphyria, hemorrhage in urinary tract. Next question, match the following: preservatives and their function. Toluenes functions, right answer, option C. Preserves chemical constituents. Thymol functions, right answer, option D. Preserves urine for several days. Formalin functions, right answer, option B. Preserves element and precipitated protein. Boric acid functions, option A. Yeast cell can grow and uric acid precipitate. Next question, the preservative used for 24 hours urine collections are, option A toluene, option B rhymol, option C formalin, option D boric acid, option E all. Right answer is option E all. Next question. The best preservative used for chemical constituent is option A toluene, option B thymol, option B formalin, option D boric acid, option E all. Right answer is option A toluene. Next question. The urine preservatives which causes false positive reaction in urine proteins reaction in proteins. Option A toluene, option B thymol, option B formalin, option D boric acid, option E all. Right answer is option B thymol. Next question. In nephrotic patients, morning sample preserves the formed element due to its option A high specific gravity and low pH, option B low specific gravity and high pH, option C none. Right answer is option A high specific gravity and low pH. Next question. Urine color turns milky due to presence of option A purulent genitourinary tract disease, option B chylorrhea, option C wall, option D none. Right answer is option C wall. Next question. Greenish colored urine is formed in option A jaundice, option B phenol poisoning, option C all. Right answer is option C all. Next question. Orange appearance of urine is because of option A urobilinogenuria, option B fever, option C excessive sweating, option D concentrated urine, option E all. Right answer is option E all. Next question. Urine darkness on standing due to option A high specific gravity and low pH, option B bacteria, option C both, option D none. Right answer is option A high specific gravity and low pH. Next question. Fruity odor in urine is due to option A ketosis, option B glycosuria, option C bacterial infection, option D all. Right answer is option A ketosis. Next question. The productions of incomplete fat metabolism are known as option A ketone bodies, option B urobilinogen, option C both, option D none. Right answer is option A ketone bodies. Next question. Name type of ketone bodies present in urine. Option A acetone, option B acetoacetic acid, option C beta hydroxybutyric acid, option D all. Right answer is option C beta hydroxybutyric acid. Next question. Ketonuria are inactive of option A ketoacidosis, option B polyuria, option C none. Right answer is option A ketoacidosis. Next question. When glycosuria is more than 2 plus in juvenile diabetes, unchecked ketone bodies may lead to option A coma, option B renal failure, option C heart failure, option D none. Right answer is option A, coma. Next question. The method used to detect ketone bodies in urine are option A, Rother's test, option B, Legal's test, option C, paper strip, option D, diacetic test, diacetic acetic acid, option E, all, option F, A and B. Right answer is option E. Next question. The average 24 hours urinary output in an adult is option A, 1200 to 1500 ml, option B, 500 to 1200 ml, option C, 2500 ml to 3500 ml, option D, 1000 to 2000 ml. Right answer is option A, 1200 ml to 1500 ml. Next question. The urine volume more than 2000 ml is termed as option A, polyuria, option B, oliguria, option C, anuria, option D, nocturia. Right answer is option A, polyuria. Next question. Urine excretion less than 500 ml is known as option A, anuria, option B, nocturia, option C, polyuria, option D, oliguria. Right answer is option D, oliguria. Next question. The complete cessation of urine formation is known as option A, polyuria, option B, oliguria, option C, anuria, option D, nocturia. Right answer is option C, anuria. Next question. The condition in which excretion of urine is more than 500 ml with less than 1.018 specific gravity at night is option A, polyuria, option B, oliguria, option C, anuria, option D, nocturia. Right answer is option D, nocturia. Next question. Nocturia is observed mainly in option A, chronic glomerulonephritis, option B, renal failure, option C, diabetes, option D, all. Right answer is option A, chronic glomerulonephritis. Next question. Polyuria is caused due to option A, neurotic polyrefsia, option B, diabetes mellitus or insipidus, option C, diuretics, option D, chronic renal failure, option E, Addison's disease, option F, wall. Right answer is option F, wall. Next question. The normal specific gravity in random urine is option A, 1.001 to 1.035, option B, 1.205 to 1.305, option C, 1.010 to 1.015, option D, 1.05 to 1.010. Right answer is option A, 1.001 to 1.035. Next question. Low specific gravity is found in option A, hypostenuric urine, option B, isosthenic urine, isosthenuric urine, option C, hypersthenuric urine, option D, none. Right answer is option A. Hypostenuric urine. Next question. Urine with fixed specific cavity of about 1.010 known as option A hypostenuric urine, option B isosthenic urine, isosthenic urine, option C hyperstenuric urine, option D thenuric urine. Right answer is option B isosthenic urine. Next question. Which are the methods used to estimate specific cavity in urine? Option A urinometer, option B strip method, option C spectrometer method, refractometer method, option D all. Right answer is option D. Next question. What helps to measure the capacity of tubules to reabsorb water from glomerular filtrate? Option A pH, option B specific gravity, option C both, option D none. Right answer is option B specific gravity. Next question. Urine specific gravity is depend upon option A salts in urine, option B solvent in urine, option C both, option D none. Right answer is option A salts in urine. Next question. High specific gravity is found in condition like A. Option A excessive sweating, option B glycosuria, option C acute nephritis, option B albuminuria, option E all. Right answer is option E all. Next question. Low specific cavity is caused due to option A chronic nephritis, option B ADH deficiency, option C arteriosclerosis, arteriosclerotic kidney, option D all. Right answer is option D all. Next question. Bacterial contamination of stale urine causes alkalization due to option A loss of glucose, option B conversion of urea to ammonia, option C both. Right answer is option B conversion of urea to ammonia. Next question. Alkaline urine after meal is a normal response to the secretions of option A ACL in gastric juice, option B fatty acid, option C both. Right answer is option A ACL in gastric juice. Next question. Urine odor is aromatic due to presence of option A volatile fatty acids, option B fatty acid, option C all, option D ACL in gastric juice. Right answer is option A volatile fatty acids. Next question. The inorganic constituents present in 24 hours urine are option A iodine, Option B, chlorides. Option C, sodium. Option D, phosphate. Option E, sulfur. Option F, calcium. Option G, all. Right answer is option G, all. Next question. The organic constituents present in 24 hours urine are option A, nitrogenous total, option B, urea, option C, creatine, option D, ammonia, option E, uric acid, option F, protein, option G, glucose and amylase, option H, all. Right answer is option H, all. Next question. The normal protein level in urine sample is option A 2 to 8 mg per dl, option B 8 to 10 mg per dl, option C 10 to 15 mg per dl, option D 1 to 8 mg per dl. Right answer is option A 2 to 8 mg per dl. Next question. The qualitative methods used to determine urinary proteins are option A, heat and acetic acid, option B, sulfosalicylic acid test, option C, paper strip method, option D, wall. Right answer is option option D, all. Next question. Turbidimetric and SBAS method provide accurate quantitative estimations of option A, protein in urine, option B, glucose in urine, option C, ketone bodies, option D, all. Right answer is option A, proteins in urine. Next question. Benzene protein are determined by following methods. Option A, heat and sulfosalicylic acid, option B, toluene sulfonic acid and electrophoresis, option C, both. Right answer is option C, both. Next question. Excretions of albumin between 30 to 300 mg per dl is known as option A, microalbuminuria, option B, proteinuria, option C, none. Right answer is option A, microalbuminuria. Next question. Greasy cloudiness in urine appear due to option A, lipiduria, option B, microalbuminuria, option C, both, option D, none. Right answer is option A, lipiduria. Next question. Presence of lipid in urine is known as option A, lipiduria, option B, albuminuria, option C, both, option D, glucosuria. Right answer is option A, lipiduria. Next question. Poisson test is used to determine option A, lactose, option B, lipase, option C, amylase. Right answer is option Option A, lactose. Next question, what are the non-renal cause of proteinuria? Option A, polynephritis. Option B, obstruction. Option C, nephro. Answer is option E, all. Next question, normal range for bile pigment in urine. Option A, less than 0.02 mg%. Option B, greater than 0.02 mg%. Option C, less than 0.03 mg%. Option D, greater than 0.05 mg%. Right answer is option A, less than 0.02 mg%. Next question, moderate to severe hepatocellular damage, obstructions of bile salt, X or intrahepatic causes. Option A, hyperbilirubinuria. Option B, hypobilirubinuria. Option C, both. Right answer is option A, hyperbilirubinuria. Next question, the methods used to determine bile pigment in urine. Option A, foam test. Option B, iodine ring test. Option C, Harrison test. Option D, Dreiser test. Option E, all. Right answer is option E, all. Next question, Early's test is used to detect. Option A, bile salt. Option B, bile pigment. Option D, urobilinogen. Option C, all. Right answer is option D, all. Next question, in which condition increased urobilinogen is found due to excessive destruction of RBCs? Option A, hemolytic anemia. Option B, pernicious anemia and malaria. Option C, both. Right answer is option C, both. Next question, presence of blood in urine known as. Option A, hematuria. Option B, blood urea. Option C, none. Right answer is option A, hematuria. Next question, method used to detect hematuria are. Option A, Guaiac test. Option B, Benzyline test. Option C, paper strip. Option D, all. Right answer is option D, all. Next question, amorphous urites are found in. Option A, acidic urine. Option B, alkaline urine. Option C, neutral urine. Option D, none. Right answer is option A, acidic urine. Next question. Amorphous phosphate are found in acidic urine, alkaline urine. Option C, neutral urine. Option D, none. Right answer is option B, alkaline urine. Next question. Triple phosphate, calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate, ammonium ureates are found in option A, acidic urine. Option B, alkaline urine. Option C, neutral urine. Option D, none. Right answer is option B, alkaline urine. Next question. Right answer is option A, acidic. Next question. Proteus in urine specimen produces option A, acidic urine. Option B, alkaline urine. Option C, neutral urine. Option D, none. Right answer is option B, alkaline urine. Next question. Leukocytic and erythrocytic together are usually non-infectious and are inactive of option A, glomerular disease. Option B, chronic kidney failure. Option C, both. Option D, none. Right answer is option A, glomerular disease. Next question. Proteins with pyelonephritis show option A, RBCs as WBCs. Option B, WBCs or RBCs as RBCs. Option C, none. Right answer is option A, RBCs as WBCs. Next question. Crystal found in neutral urine is option A, calcium hydrogen phosphate. Option B, calcium phosphate. Option C, both. Right answer is option A, calcium hydrogen phosphate. Next question. Yellow red granules are present in option A, amorphourates. Option B, amorphous phosphate. Option C, none. Right answer is option A, next question. Presence of bile salt in urine decrease the option A, surface tension of urine. Option B, pH of urine. Option C, specific gravity. Option D, none. Right answer is option A, surface tension of urine. Next question. Presence of glucose in urine is known as option A, glycosuria. Option B, microalbuminuria. Option C, both. Right answer is option A, glycosuria. Next question. Increased amount of porphyrins and porphobilinogen are seen in option A, glucosuria. Option B, microalbuminuria. Option C, porphyria. Option D, all. Right answer is option C, porphyria. Next question. Name the crystals which dissolve on warming at 60 degrees Celsius. Option A, uric acid and urates. Option B, calcium oxalates. Option C, amorphous phosphate. Option D, all. Right answer is option A, uric acid and urates. Next question, urine composition is affected by following factors. Option A, nutritional status. Option B, state of metabolic process. Option C, ability of the kidney to selectively handle the material presented to it. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, match the following color with the presence of urine sugar in Benedict's qualitative semi-quantitative test. Green color. Right answer option B. Negative. Next, yellow green. Right answer option D. Greenish yellow. Right answer option A. Yellow color. Right answer option E. Orange to brick red. Right answer C. Next question, glycosuria with hyperglycemia are found in condition like option A, diabetic mellitus. Option B, endocrine disorders. Option C, pancreatic disease. Option D, CNS dysfunctions. Option E, massive metabolic derangement. Option F, all of above. Right answer is option F, all of above. Next question, non-glucose sugars in urine is because of option A, lactose. Option B, fructose. Option C, pentose. Option D, all of above. Right answer is option D, all of above. Next question, pentosuria in normal persons is caused due to option A, very high wheat intake. Option B, very high protein intake. Option C, very high glucose intake. Option D, very high fat intake. Right answer is option A, very high wheat intake. Next question, match the following normal range. Random urine. Right answer option C, 24 hours urine specimen. Normal range. Right answer option B, renal threshold levels. Right answer option A. Next question. Microalbuminuria is caused in response to ischemia. Option A, ischemia. Option B, trauma. Option C, thermal injury. Option D, pancreatitis. Option E, inflammatory bowel disease. Option F, all of the above. Right answer is option F, all of the above. Next question. Albumin excretion in urine is increased after option A, physical activity. Option B, resting. Option C, A and B. Option D, none. Right answer is option A. Option A, renal tube. Sorry. Option A. Physical activity. Next question. Glycosuria without hyperglycemia is due to option A, renal tubular dysfunction. Option B, pregnancy. Option C, A and B. Option D, none. Right answer is option C. Next question. False positive protein result may be obtained with option A, highly buffered urine. Option B, alkaline urine. Option C, A and B. Option D, none. Right answer is option C. Next question. 2 to 3 drops of N by 10 ACl can be added to alkaline urine to avoid false positive. Option A, proteins. Option B, ketones. Option C, glucose. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option A, proteins. Next question. While using step in urine analysis, which are the steps involved? Option A, dipping step in urine completely. Option B, blotting the step. Option C, read the result at correct time. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. Urine calcium is determined by option A, Salk switch test method. Option B, OCPC. Option C, Arsenazo method. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. What is the normal calcium expression in 24 hours urine sample? Option A, 100 to 250 mg per 24 hours. Option B, 200 to 450 mg per 24 hours. Option C, 180 to 290 mg per 24 hours. Option D, 300 to 550 mg per 24 hours. Right answer is option A, 100 to 250 mg per 24 hours. Next question. Calcium discharged by the body is excreted via option A, stool. Option B, urine. Option C, A and B. Option D, none. Right answer is option C, A and B. Next question. Increased levels of calcium in urine sample is caused due to option A hyperparathyroidism, option B sera- sarcoidosis, sarcoidosis, option C primary cancers of breast and lungs, option D Wilson's disease, option E metastatic malig- malignancies, option F myeloma with bone metastasis, option G renal tubular acidosis, option H glucocorticoids excess, option I all of the above. Right answer is option sorry. Right answer is option I all of the above. Next question. Decreased level of calcium in urine sample is caused due to option A hypoparathyroidism, option B vitamin D deficiency, option C malab malabsorption syndrome, option D all of the above. Right answer is option D all of the above. Next question. Of the following which is true? Option A carcinoids. Option carcinoids may produce serotonin which is metabolized to 5 hydroxyindole acetic acid. Option B presence of carcinoids in urine in more than traces indicates malignant carcinoids metastatic to the liver. Option C all of the above. Right answer is option C. Next question. What is the normal reference range for serotonin in urine sample in quantitative methods? Option A 2 to 10 mg per 24 hours. Option B 60 to 100 mg milligram equivalent per 24 hours. Option C A and B. Option D none. Right answer is option C A and B. Next question. Serotonin is a vasoconstricting hormones produced normally by option A argintamine cells of the GI tract, option B argintamine cells of the liver, option C A and B, option D none. Right answer is option A argintamine cells of the GI tract. Next question. The principal functions of the argintamine cells is to option A regulate smooth muscles contraction and peristalsis peristalsis, option B regulate sleep, option C regulate temperature, option D all of the above. Right answer is option D. Next question. In carcinoid tumors, there is rise in levels of 5-hydroxy indole acetic acid, which option A happens to be a denatured product of serotonin, option B happens to be a denatured product of calcium, option C none. Right answer is option A happens to be a denatured product of serotonin. Next question. Which of the following contains serotonin which has to be avoided before collecting 24 hours urine sample for testing serotonin levels? Option A bananas, option B 24 apples, option C tomatoes, option D eggplants of avocados. Eggplants or avocados. Option E all of the above. Right answer is option E. Next question. Serotonin levels in excesses of 100 mg per 24 hours are inactive of option A large carcinoid, especially which metastasis, option B obsessive compulsive disorders, option C sudden infant death syndromes, option D depression. The right answer is option A. A hemorrhage, option B thrombosis, option C non-tropical spores, option D severe pain of city. Sciatica, skeletal and smooth muscles spasm, option E all of the above. Right answer is option E all of the above. Next question. What is the normal reference range for cysteine in quantitative methods? Option A children under 8 years 2 to 13 mg per 24 hours. Option B individuals above 8 years 7 to 28 mg per hours. Option C A and B. Option D none. Right answer is option C A and B. Next question. Cystinuria is a disease in which there is excessive urinary excretions of option A lysine, option B ornithine, option C arginine, option D cysteine, option E all of the above. Right answer is option E all of the above. Next question. State following which are true. Cystinuria is a hereditary disease. Option B. Cystinuria is characterized by bladder calculi. Option C. In cystinosis, cystine is deposited in lung tissues. Option D. All of the above. Right answer is option D. All of the above. Next question. What is the normal reference range of uric acid in 24 hours urine samples? Option A 0 to 4 0.4 to 1.0 mg per 24 hours on normal diet. Option B 0.2 to 0.5 mg per 24 hours on urine free diet. Option C up to 2.0 mg per 24 hours on high purine diet. Option D all of the above. Right answer is option D all of the above. Next question. Uric acid formations occurs as a result of the metabolic breakdown of option A nucleic acids, option B fatty acids, option C EUFA, option D MUFA. Right answer is option A nucleic acids. Next question. Uricosauria is found in option A gut, option B chronic myeloid leukemia, option E febrile illness, option F toxemias of pregnancy, option G Fanconi's syndrome, option H all of the above. Right answer is option H all of the above. Next question. High uric acid concentration plus low urine pH may lead to option A uric acid stones in the urinary tract, option B Fanconi syndrome, option C kidney failures, option D all of the above. Right answer is option A uric acid stones in the urinary tract. Next question. What is the full form of VMA? Option A vanillary mandelic acids, option B vanilmethanephrine acids, option C vinyl malic acids, option D vanillaminar acids. Right answer is option A vanillymandelic acids. Next question. What is the normal reference range for VMA? Option A 9 mg per 24 hours, option B 3 mg per 24 hours, option C 34 mg per 24 hours, option D 20 mg per 24 hours. Right answer is option A 9 mg per 24 hours. Next question, match the following reference range of A. If epinephrine, right answer. Option D. Norepinephrine. Option right answer. Option A. Metanephrine. Option right answer. Option B. Normetanephrine. Right answer. Option C.